What's up guys? In today's lesson, I'll explain you two ways to fix your problems with your power options and brightness slider. So if you are missing and cannot find your brightness slider here or volume slider or any other issues which is here, you can fix it after watching this video. So the next one is if you cannot find power options here like sleep mode or restart options, you should definitely watch this video, and after this tutorial you're gonna fix your problems immediately. So we'll begin. If you are using like Windows 10 or 11, it does not matter. If you are using like Windows 11, you can find search button here and write device manager, which is here, and click on it. And here you can find your devices and choose monitors, which is here. And you can find overall a lot of laptops based on generic monitors. So click on it and right click on it, and you should disable it and click yes, and then you're gonna enable device again like this. And the next one is updating it, choose properties and move to the driver section. So here you can find update driver, click on it and choose the first option, search automatically for drivers, and wait for a while. Here you can find search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and then you should update your Windows. Just check it whether you have update about your monitor drivers or not, and it will be first method. After this method, you should update your operation system or your monitor driver here and click OK, and then you should restart your laptop and you can fix your problem. So the second method is really simple. Just choose search button and write control panel, here you can find control panel, and click on it, and you can see different kind of options here. Choose power option, which is here. So on your left you can see different kind of options. Choose what's the power button do option and choose change settings that are currently unavailable, and you can check it, which is what kind of power options you are missing and cannot find. You should check it. If all options is checked, you should disable it and check it again. After checking these options, save changes and restart your computer or laptop, and you will fix your problem. So guys, if you still cannot fix your problem, I will teach you additional option, which is a really good one. And in that case, you should also use search button here. Just write CMD. It's like a command prompt panel, and right click on it and run as administrator. Choose this option and click yes. So here you should just write the simple command. So just write SCF backslash and write scan now and press enter, and you should have wait for a while. This takes some time after like process finish it. You can just like restart your laptop and your problem will be fixed. And so that's all guys. I hope after watching this video tutorial you can fix your problems immediately. And if you like, please subscribe my channel and smash like button, and you will probably find a lot of useful information and much more tutorial videos how to fix problems with your like laptop or computer. So see you next time and goodbye.